Hey guys, welcome welcome back to my channel. My name is Kian. Some people call me Key, which is the inspiration behind the name for the channel. So today I'm just going to talk about my weight loss journey, my experiences, and things that I plan to change to ensure that I reach my weight loss goal. So for those of you who are subscribed to my channel, you already know that I'm currently doing Kiat Jedi workout exercises to help with my weight loss, and that has been going great. However, I believe that there's some things that I should change to ensure that I meet my weight loss goal. So I am a mother of four, and my last pregnancy I gained a lot of weight. And after I gave birth to my daughter, she's two now, I noticed that I was 216 pounds, which is not good for me because it made me have a lot of self-confidence issues, especially when I put my clothes on and there's a lot of fat hanging out at my back and at my belly. So I decided to change that, and that's why I'm on this weight loss journey. However, I started this weight loss journey in April of this year. At that time, I was 216 pounds. Currently, I'm fluctuating between 184 pounds and 174 pounds. And I believe that it's because of some of my habits why I am not at my weight loss goal, which is 160 pounds. So I plan to do some habit stacking along with fasting, intermittent fasting, of course. And habit stacking is basically trying to learn a new habit, from what I understand, by getting rid of the old habit. I realize that my old habits are preventing me to lose the weight that I want to lose, and that's snacking on carbohydrates, biscuits, cheese sticks, cheesies, all of those things are what I love. And even though I know that they're not good for me, yes guys, so even though I know that they're not good for me, I can't seem to stop eating them. It's as though I am addicted to carbohydrates, and that's preventing me from losing the weight that I want to lose. So I decided to do some habit stacking. I am thinking of replacing the carbohydrates, the snacks that I'm currently eating, with water. And I know that you guys are wondering, water. Yes, I believe that if I try to drink more water, it will prevent me from snacking so much. So what I plan to do, excuse my water bottle, guys. Excuse this bottle, but I had another one and it broke, so I'm just using this one until I replace my drinking water bottle. Yes, so where I normally place my snacks, I am planning of moving them from there and placing a bottle of water. So each time I see the water, each time I see it, I will know that I should not be snacking and I should be drinking water to help with my weight loss. Pray for me, guys, because it's not going to be easy. One of my favorite snacks is bun and cheese, and you all know that too much of that is not good for you. So I'm trying to not purchase the things that I know that I'll be tempted to eat. So I'm working on that. So along with habit stacking, I'll also be doing intermittent fasting, where you eat for a certain amount of time and you don't eat for a certain amount of time. And I am no stranger to intermittent fasting because in 2018, I was 242 pounds, and I started intermittent fasting at 242 pounds, and I was weighing 170 pounds within 5 months of doing intermittent fasting and changing the foods that I was eating. So yes, so I plan to continue doing intermittent fasting because I had to pause intermittent fasting because I got pregnant, and you're not advised to do fasting while you're pregnant because your baby will lack nutrients. So I had to give that a break. Now that my baby is 2 years old, she's no longer breastfeeding, she's weaned. I, plan to do some stuff to get me back on track to my pre-pregnancy weight. So yes, guys, I'll be doing intermittent fasting. In fact, I've been doing some intermittent fasting along with the Kiat Judai workout exercises, and they have been great. So I am going to incorporate intermittent fasting along with alternate day fasting. So alternate day fasting is a more advanced stage of fasting. It's basically fasting for 36 hours, then eating the next day and fasting again. So that's what it is basically. So you don't eat anything for the entire day. You just drink water. Anyways, guys, yeah, so that's what I'll be doing basically. So some days I'll switch up my alternate day fasting to regular intermittent fasting of 23 hours by one, which is called omad. You basically fast for 23 hours and you have a 1 hour period where you eat everything. So I'll be fasting alternate day fasting as well as omad, where I eat in 1 hour, fast for 23 hours, and eat my meal in 1 hour. Of course, you know that with intermittent fasting, you don't have to count calories and you don't have to change your diet. But if you want faster results, then you have to change the food that you eat and start eating clean. So I'm trying to focus on that. I'm really trying, guys. Being on a weight loss journey is not really easy. It's hard sometimes to get rid of some habits that you have that's preventing you from losing the weight that you want to lose. But when you're fasting, it's best to get a fasting buddy. Get an accountable partner. My dear friend is currently fasting with me. Her name is Terian. Girl, if you're watching, I really appreciate you. And we are accountable to each other. So I use the fasting app called Life Fasting. I'm going to insert it on the screen somewhere. Yes, so it helps me to track my fasting hours, and we share the amount of hours that we fast on a daily basis with each other via WhatsApp. So if you're planning to do fasting, ensure that you get an accountable partner because fasting is not easy. So yes, guys, I was saying that we share the amount of hours that we fast on a daily basis with each other, and that helps me to keep accountable because I don't want to be explaining to her why I didn't reach my fasting goal, and I'm sure it's the same thing for her. But with fasting, it's always advisable to listen to your body because there will be days that you're going to feel drained, and if you feel lightheaded, it's probably because you're not taking electrolytes. And the electrolytes that I do take, they don't have any sweeteners or calories. I think it's called Fast Light. I'm going to insert the name on the screen. I don't remember the name of the electrolytes that I use currently, but they help if you're feeling lightheaded or if you're having headaches. They do help with that. As I said previously, I am an advanced faster. I have fasted for 72 hours. I have gone 4 days without eating foods. I know how to do it. I know what to do. I know what I'm doing wrong. However, sometimes it's really hard to, stop the bad habits to get to where you want to be. And sometimes you just have to talk to God. You have to pray about it and you have to be determined. What I do to motivate myself, sometimes I look at pictures when I was much slimmer and, I would look neat in my clothes, and that inspires me to go back to the size that I was before I gave birth to my daughter. So pray for me, guys, because this is not easy. It a weight loss journey, it's not as easy as how it sounds. It has a lot to do with your mind, and if you're not focused, you can get distracted, right? The next thing that I want to talk about is maybe you don't want to share with others that you're fasting for a certain amount of hours because people will discourage you, telling you that it's wrong, you're not supposed to be doing it. But in fact, there's nothing wrong with fasting. It's really good for you, and it helps to regulate insulin, because if you have high insulin levels, it will cause you to gain weight. So when you fast, it helps to control your insulin levels, and it also helps to prevent you from gaining weight. So the hours where you'll be fasting, your body will be feeding off the fat that you currently have on your body, and it will help you to get to your weight goals. Yes, guys. So yeah, fasting will help you to reach your weight loss goals faster. So I'll still be doing Kiat Judai workout exercises. I'll still be doing my workout videos, but I'll also be sharing my fasting journey with you guys and how it has been helping so far. So there's something that I need to mention about fasting. When you're fasting, you're not allowed to eat gums, you're not allowed to drink flavored juices, you're not allowed to drink anything that has calories, because if you take in things that has calories, then it will take you out of fasting. On the days that I'm fasting, I normally brush my teeth with baking soda. Yes. So you might wondering why I brush my teeth with baking soda. Hey mama, you okay? Baby, okay? Yes, guys. So you might be wondering why I brush my teeth with baking soda on the days that I fast instead of regular toothpaste. And that is because some toothpaste has sugar in it, and there's a slight chance that it might take you out of fasting. So I don't want to risk that. So you can use a regular baking soda that you use for baking to brush your teeth if you decide to fast on the day that you're fasting. And after you break your fast and you've had your meal, you can brush your teeth with your regular toothpaste. But I use baking soda because I don't want to risk coming out of fasting. The fasting app that I mentioned earlier in the video it helps you to be accountable as well. It tells you how many hours you're fasting and the benefits that you get for each hour. So it's also good to have a fasting app. You have to have the mindset for fasting, because if you don't, you will be tempted. So you have to be disciplined, you have to be focused, you have to be determined, and you have to go after your goals, because nobody gonna do it for you, baby. Nobody. Understand? And people are so mean sometimes, especially when you have a few extra pounds on. People can be really mean and rude. And I find that people who are mean and rude are people who are struggling with things themselves, but they refuse to work on what they're struggling with and try to bully others, which is very bad. So if you're watching and you're one of those people and you see someone that's trying to lose weight, be kind, because mentally and emotionally it takes a toll on us. Some days I don't feel like fasting, and some days I don't feel like drinking water. I want juice. Some days I just don't feel like working out. So it's very hard on us. So please be kind. Don't be mean. Okay? Because people are trying to better themselves. Just try to be positive. If you don't have nothing good to say, don't say nothing at all. Just leave the people them alone. Especially those who are trying. But those of us who have a few extra pounds on, it's a big self-confidence issue, because there are still There are still some clothes that I want to wear that I can't wear because I have too much weight on. And then somebody is mean about you having too much weight on, it will affect you mentally and emotionally. So guys, please be kind to everyone who is starting a weight loss journey, especially if they share it on YouTube or other social media platforms, because it's not easy. Okay? It's not easy for them to do. So let me know what you guys think about this, guys. Habit stacking and fasting to lose weight. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. As I stated earlier, I'll still be doing my workout videos, but I'll be incorporating fasting and trying to drink some more water on a daily basis to get to my weight loss goal of 160 pounds. So let me know what you think about this in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to lose weight. Click that subscribe button. Ensure that your notification bell is on so that you do not miss out on any videos that I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one.